Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm cleaning and organizing my fridge. I organized my pantry in last week's video, so if you want to check that out I'll post the link in the description box below. So this first clip is recorded prior to the actual organization day. I did sort of a pre-clean because my fridge was just that bad. Our trash pickup is on Wednesday morning, so I got rid of old leftovers and spoiled food on Tuesday night and just wiped down the fridge some. I also like to do big jobs in small increments. Otherwise I get overwhelmed and I just won't do it at all. That's why I'm not cleaning the freezer section in this video. It was just too much to deal with. Besides, it's not as nasty as my fridge, so it can totally wait. The containers I purchased from Amazon were only $31, and I'll post the link in the description box below. It feels so good to have small parts of my house organized. Each time I open my pantry and fridge, I feel so accomplished. I hope this video inspires you to clean your fridge too.
We had it covered, was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know that now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know that now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Then I changed my mind, 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 mind. Maybe we got time, 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 time to make this right, 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 right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I love, if I change the way I love, if I change, if I change, if I change the way I love, if I change the way I love. change the